Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this no-fail, very easy summer tank top. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the chain. Okay, so single crochet in each stitch of the chain. Okay, I worked one single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Double crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through two, pick up the yarn, pull it through two. And I'm going to work all the way across the row, making one double crochet in each stitch, but working only in the back side of the stitch. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I'm going to chain one and turn, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, and I'm not going to work in the back side of the stitch for this row. I'm going to work in the full stitch right in there. So I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row, and now I'm just going to repeat these two rows over and over. One row of double crochet in the back side of the stitch, one row of single crochet worked in the full stitch. And I'm going to continue at these rows until this is as long as I need it to be to reach to the underarms. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked as many rows as I need to reach to the underarm. Now I'm going to find the center. I can fold it in half to find that, and then I'm just going to count an even number of stitches on each side. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and I'm going to place a marker. Fold it in half again just to make sure that these are evenly spaced. Take one stitch with both the yarn and the yarn end to lock that in place. So I'm going to single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So you can do as many stitches as you like. You just have to leave this extension under the arm. So I'm just going to turn, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across my row for the strap. Like that. And I'm just going to work back and forth until my straps are long enough. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished the second strap. Now you're going to make 2 of these, and then you're going to sew them together at the shoulders and down the side. And when you fasten off, leave enough of a yarn end here so that you can sew the shoulders together. And to sew the shoulders together, you thread your yarn into a yarn needle. You're just going to hold these stitches together so that they match, and just start at one side and then just pass under each stitch like that, and then sew all the way across the row. And that's how you'll sew the side seam as well. Just match the stitches and sew across. And then you'll have a nice seam that's almost invisible. And then you take an extra stitch at the end so that you can keep that nice and tight like that, and then weave your yarn end into the finished work like that. And so that's how you'll sew the shoulder seams and the side seams. And there's an easy tank top and you can be sure that it's going to fit if you use this very easy method. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.